Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on the Executive King Suite at the LINQ. We did stay here for WrestleMania weekend. Here's what we spent total, but let's go ahead and check out the room. Alright, 1:30 Vegas time. About to check in.
¿No sirvió? Okay.
All right, we got that one on. Let's go ahead and crank this bad boy down. Oh. Very nice little rest from here. Little set here. 4 stools. Couch area. Let's turn this on.
That's some light.
Table. Got your TV there. Another light. Let's go see over here. Guess I'm gonna turn the lights on over here. I don't know what I'm doing now. There we go. Another TV here. Bench there. Big old mirror here. We got jackpot. Another view here. I think down there is like the pool area. That's cool.
More space on here. I think we have 2 bathrooms. No.
All right. Another bathroom here. This one does have the shower. Zoom that out. Boom. Everything you need right there, nice and clean. Towels. Everything you need right here. Safe. And sweet. Close this up. Let's crank this one down too. 2 different thermostats, so crank this one down too. There we go. And let's see. Boom, little mini fridge. That's what I was hoping. Always very convenient to have that in the room. So, half restroom here, full restroom over there. This is actually really nice, guys. Did have them upgrade us to a suite. Only here for a couple days, but we might as well enjoy it. We're all checked in here, so you can see 1:30 in the morning. Let's go. So the last view should be any different than the other one. Right here, more of the pool area, which I can show you in the morning. Super cool. Of the strip. Very, very spacious. I love the feel. Anytime I come, I always want to make sure I upgrade the room. It's like our little treat to us. We did visit the fitness center for a Vegas hotel gym. It's actually very good. It has enough equipment to get a real workout in instead of just a couple of treadmills shoved into a small room. It's got free weights and several cable machines and different kinds of things like that. So if you're somebody trying to stay on track with fitness while traveling, this is definitely a plus. It's also nice if you're creating fitness or lifestyle content because the hotel overall has a cleaner, more modern look compared to some of the other properties. So if you guys don't know, we're here for WrestleMania weekend. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you guys are looking to book your next hotel, I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can book yours. Sometimes y'all can get discounts like 10% off and stuff, so it doesn't hurt to check. All right, I'm gonna leave the link down below. If you're looking to upgrade your view, if you can. It's only 2 of us, and I still upgrade just to, like I said, everyone's like, oh, we're just gonna sleep there. Well, I wanna make sure we sleep comfortable. There we go. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe.